Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will guide you how to create policies. In the last video I have created policy like this. I have created three policy and I have added one user on each group, and you can create like this, like in your organization if you have 600, 400, 300 users. So there is administrator policy, there is default policy, there is admin policy will be there, and you can add as per group policy. So today I will create a peripheral control policy. Please watch my YouTube channel video, and if you get any error regarding creating policy peripheral, then please email me, chat me. Definitely I will support you, and if you can like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So let's start this video. So first you can see peripheral control. Once you click on that, then you can see there is no any policy, and if I can say group, so there is no any group. So how can we block, how can we use? So first we need to create. So policy, under the policy there is nothing data, so we need to just click on go to home back and click on add policy. Once you click on add policy, then automatically this page will be apply, and here user policy follow user across their device policy as but you click on user policy and click here, and you can select peripheral control policy, then click on next. Once you click on next, then you need to give a name of policy. So you can type here NXG. I am giving my name NXG peripheral control full access. Peripheral control full access. I am creating peripheral control full access. Click on save. Then again I am going to click another policy on the same group. Select, click on network peripheral control, click on next. Then you click on here you can see I will full access. I have created full access and full block. Okay, and now again we need to create another policy on the same group. Click on add, click on create peripheral control, click on next, and here we will create read only. So I have created three policy, and I will guide you why I created read only. If in your organization, if some of users who want to access but like CD, pen drive, DVD, then we just move on the user to read only group, then he can only read and don't copy paste from pen drive to desktop or desktop to pen drive. That's why I have created. And full access, if in your organization some of user have full access, administrator admin level, then you need to create full access group. And full block, if in your organization like registration something detail there, you can block that user. So we will step by step go. So first we will go on the read only. On the top, click on the name and click on setting, disable peripheral control. So here you can enable, and you can see monitor but not block. Yes, and if we can here block what you want to block, or block. I want to block this Bluetooth. I don't want to allow on my organization, because some of our users are connected to headphone, then they are using misuse. And removable device, here you can select read only, he can attach any pen drive data, then he can only copy, or he cannot copy and paste from, or from client to pen drive, or pen drive to client. So you can click on read only. After that you can also see floppy drive. You can select also read only interface. You can block here, modem block here, optical device read only, removable devices read only, and wireless you can allow as per your conditions. And this will also block MTP PP. This is a mobile data, so you can create like this. And secure removable, yeah, this is and here you can create, if you get any error, please connect to IT, connect to IT. Like you can create like this, and then click on save. Once you click on save, this policy is created. And if you can go there, and you can see under the settings, and this is apply. And once you created policy, then enforce this policy, save. And you can now add users, like this desktop. If I want to allow, then we can move this desktop to this group. And okay, now you can see under this policy one user is associated. Now we move to another. So this is full control block. Click on that policy and go to setting and disable peripheral. Click on this. Here click, and here you can block all. Here you select all block. I am selecting manually one by one, and then click on save. And now we again go on the section setting, and you can say everything is blocked. Please, here you can set message. If you just encounter any error, then he know it is blocked by IT, so they can call you and email or connect to request for allow. Connect to IT if you are getting any error. Okay, so now I have created. Then click on save. And here one more options, guys. You can add let's peripheral exemption. If in your organization some of pen drive, IT pen drive required to allow, then you can add here for any group. So once you connected pen drive on your PC, then automatically it will be detected. And if that pen drive is related to IT department, then you can allow that pen drive. You can also do for each group. Okay, so now we are moved to network peripheral full access. So under the full access, you can give all rights. But removable devices always block, optical devices always block, read only, this will also read only, and this will also read only, and this will block, because this will very risky. And modem you can also block. You can create like this policy, and here you can type message. If you get error, please connect to IT. Like you can like you can create this and click on save. Now your policy is created. We have created 3 policy. And how to add the users, you can click on here, setting, sorry, user group, and you can move this user to this group and you click on save. Now you can see another user I have added, and you can again click on the same as, oh, this is a default group, so I don't want to add anymore. Here you can click on next, and you can see we have successfully added users on this peripheral control group policy. So you can create like this policy on your Sophos Central, and if you get any error encounter, then you can call me, email me, and this policy will be applied. Once you apply, then pen drive and etc devices all automatically will be blocked. So if you getting any encounter error, then please contact me, and please reach out on my support email address. I will definitely support you. And thank you for watching my YouTube channel video. Jai Hind.